So here we placed a Google Drive node, which will be connected with Supabase vector store. We're gonna select an action, which is gonna be add documents to vector store, because we're gonna fetch the document from Google Drive and add it in here. The table name that we want to insert the documents in is documents. Embedding batch size, let's keep it 200. This is none of our business. Now let's add an embedding model, which is embeddings OpenAI. The default data loader. And text splitting will be custom. We will have a recursive character text splitter. And that's perfect. Now let's select one document from the file. Company policy and regulations manual. Let's execute the step. We have the document format, a downloadable file in this, which is of course the binary format. And let's run this. Yep. So let's run the vector store. So it produced 6 items. Now let's check what we got in our Supabase account. Yep. So like you can see, magically we have all the vectors in our database. You can double click on this to see more details in JSON format. And yep, so you get how it works. We download a file and then send it to Supabase vector store. Then the default data loader, with the help of text splitter, splits the text in vectors, and then it stores in the Supabase in the documents table. So in this video, we just added some vectors to our Supabase vector store to demonstrate how we can do this. And in the next video, let's see how we can use those vectors in this AI agent workflow. Till then, take care.